first one I just wanted to test it out and see how it is. The idea was to build kind of like a flower. I wanted to do 10, but I did 6 this time, kind of to make it out, to see whether or not it's actually possible to spread them out without breaking them. The base was actually cedar wood, this is poplar, and this is cedar wood. So my next step would be is to joining them, and having actually 10 leaf, I wanted to extend it. So my next leg would be the one with the 10 leaves instead of 6, and the center would be actually all merged together and coming out this way like this. But you can make them any shape and sizes. I think it's possible because poplar, once you get it steamed up, you can actually bend it very well, and I think it would become pliable. Like, you know, if you go higher size, I was thinking even making like an hour shape glass and merge them in the center, where you measure them here and then put it like a two circles through it, like little tubes, different color wood, so that way it stands out, you know, so it's like hourglass, and you can spread it out. We'll go from like this way. I think it'll look pretty awesome, but it has to be very tall. It cannot be actually shorter than this one. So hopefully you like it. It's actually easy build. You can do this in 2 days, because the gluing time, you know, you wanted to wait for the glue to set properly before you actually nail gun it. I kind of rushed through it just to see how it is done.